Welcome back to Park Metal Detecting. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like this kind of content. As you may have noticed, I did a video on this before already with hitting it with the 11-inch and 6-inch coils. So we found a couple mercury dimes, and then we also found a buffalo nickel with a smaller 6-inch coil. But I just ordered this through Amazon for 125 bucks. Normally it's $199. This is the 15-inch EQX 1500 from Minelab. So it's supposed to go a little deeper, 8 to 30% more depending on the size of the target. It does cover a lot more area, but you do have to swing it a whole lot slower, which we'll be doing today. And as you know, this farmhouse was probably 1910, something like that. We found a 1917 mercury dime, not too far down because it's been rotilled. So we're gonna hit it again, just the front yard. I let the owner know we're gonna hit it one more time, and we'll see what we can find. I'll start it back up, so stay tuned. There's an 1817. I wonder. Negative. That says way down there too. It says 8 inches down. 18, 17. Right there. Alright, let's see what that is. Good thing this ground is soft. Don't think Garrett's gonna pick that up. I don't think so. Says it's still 8 inches down. That's a... You'd think the Garrett would have picked up something by now. Oh God. Another target that I can't even get. It's so deep. It's too deep. I may have to turn the sensitivity down. It says it's like right straight down here. Oh my gosh. I need to bring my shovel in for this one. There's a root there. That's a rose bush right there. Let's rot it out. No. All right, I'm giving up on that one. That's too dang deep. See, I'm getting... $18. Right there. It says 16 and it's 6 inches down. 6 inches down. Okay, so it's right there on the side. All right, let's dig this hole again here. This time we're going to be on the side a little bit more. All right. Let's see what we got here. Put that right from here. It's over here more. That big coil, man, it picks up stuff, but it's hard to pinpoint. Having a heck of a time pinpointing it. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, we found a ring. That is so cool. Wow. And that is a dinky one. That's a kid's ring. I don't know if it's gold or not. It was ringing a low number. Feels heavy for the size of it. Usually they're marked. And it's marked. What does that say? Let me see if I can clean it out. I have a magnifying glass. It says something 808. I don't know. Where's my magnifying glass? I think I left it in the car. Nope, I got it right here. That says, what does that say? Something 8, 0, and a little symbol 8. No, wait a minute, 0, 10. There's like 10 in between those two symbols. Is that like a 10-carat ring? I'm trying to get it here. Can you guys see that? Feels like a gold ring. Wow. If it is, that's the first gold ring I've ever found. 10 carat maybe? It's a pink, it's like a little kid's ring. Oh, wow, this is awesome. What was it ringing up at? 24. That could be gold. I'm gonna have to get me a test kit because I don't have a test kit. It looks like you could put an initial in here. Nobody ever put the initials in here. And just looks dirty, doesn't look corroded at all. Nice and shiny on the inside. And that was down about 4 inches. The big coil was having a hard time reading that. It couldn't pinpoint where it was. It knew it was there. All right, so let's put that in the pocket. Wow, that's cool. That is so cool. Another bucket list item from this yard. One of my subscribers said that all the targets were like right in front of the stairs, if you notice here. Like they come down, running down here, and things go flying off their fingers and pockets. I'm running 22 sensitivity with the stock coil. That was it. So today's finds, we went over this with the big old 15-inch Equinox coil, and there's a lot of metal in here and iron, and it wasn't happy. So we gave up. And there was one signal over here, it sounded good, but I couldn't separate it really well with the big coil, so I switched over to the next one down, the 11-inch, and that's still, and you can see how we did was clean up a lot of screws and stuff. I have the FE's at -1, but I didn't find anything out. I could have, I mean, Could have been some jewelry there. And a lot of lead targets, a lot of brass and copper and aluminum here. But the coolest thing I found today, here, right in front of the steps again. And let me dig it out of here. There's some foil we found. This little ring, I believe it's gold. It's got a marking in it. It looks like 10. Maybe it's a 10K ring. Has a little weight to it for a little ring. It's heavy. And I will look it up. It's not corroded or nothing. So this has been in the ground for a while. It's down about 3 or 4 inches down. That's pretty shiny. And it's a kid's ring. I mean, very small. Gotta be pretty old too, I'm thinking. It's got little hearts on both sides. Probably could have engraved your initials on there. Just kind of cool. But that'd be the first gold ring for 2025 and first gold ring I've ever found, if that's the case. We'll be hitting another park up in another city. I preliminarily checked, how do you say that? I pre-tested it? Preliminary tested it out, and I did find a 1920 wheat penny. It was so cold up there, I couldn't handle the cold, so I just hit a few little spots just to test it. Found a bunch of coins, modern and also that old coin, and a lot of older pennies that were down deep. So I'm gonna see if I can get some help, because it's 2 lots that used to have houses on it, and we'll see what we can find. If you joined the hunt today, guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like content like this. We'll see you next time. Happy treasures.